Hey everyone, this is Manasa. Today we are going to know how to find the squares of a number from 10 to 100. This is very useful for the competitive exams, and for the people those who are preparing for competitive exams, they can save a lot of time in solving this. In simplification, we can save a lot of time with this simple trick. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the topic. So from 10 to 20 it is very easy, no? 1 to 20, the squares of a number finding is very easy. We all got mug up in our previous classes, right? Then what about after 20? How to find the square of a 21, 22, 23 and so on up to 99? How can we find the squares of a numbers? Is that simple? Now I'll make you it as very simple. So let's get into the tricks. See, now we'll find the square of 21 now. We all know the square of 21 is 441. Now I'll tell you in a simple way how to find this. 1 square is 1 here and 2 square is 4. What we have to do is we have to multiply the value to 1 square, no? 21 square it is given, no? 2 into 1 into 2. అక్కడ ఉన్న స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూని కూడా కలిపేసేయండి, మల్టిప్లై చేసేసేయండి. 2 into 1 into 2. So likewise you have to multiply. So see here, 1 square is 1 given here and 2 square is given here 4. 21 స్క్వేర్ అని ఇచ్చాడు కదా, అంటే 2 into 1 into 2, అంటే మీరు దాన్ని 2 into స్క్వేర్ని కూడా మల్టిప్లై చేసేసేయండి. మల్టిప్లై చేయటం అంటే 2 into 1 into 2 అలా మల్టిప్లై చేసేయాలి. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 441. So this is very simple, no? Now let's do it with somewhat big number. So now let's check this logic for 43. Now we'll find the square of 43. 43 square, right? 3 square and 4 square. What we have to do in the middle? 4 into 3 into 2. 4 3 2. ఆ స్క్వేర్ని కూడా మల్టిప్లై చేసేసుకోవాలని చెప్పాం కదా. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. 4 square is 16. Here it is 24 and 3 square is 9. Right? Now what we have to do is take the first digits. ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్స్ని తీసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది ఒకటే డిజిట్ 9. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 24లో ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ అంటే 4 కదా, 2 ఉంది కదా. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్యారీ దిస్ 2 to 16. 16కి దీన్ని క్యారీ చేసి యాడ్ చేయాలి, అంటే 16 plus 2 it is 18. So the answer is 1849. It has become some bit clumsy here. I will tell you, I will clear it now. Wait. So see, it is clear now. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 4 3 2. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So first digit values we have to place it aside. 3 square 9, there is no other value, so we have to write 9 here. Now in this place, in the middle value place, we have 24. 2 digit value is there, so first of all we have to write the first place value. First digit ni మనం ఇక్కడ నోట్ చేసేసుకుంటాం. Next 2 is left. We have to add this 2 to the other value. ఈ 2ని ఇక్కడ మనకి 4 స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ తీసుకున్నాం కదా, దానికి యాడ్ చేయాలన్నమాట. సో 16 plus 2 it becomes 16 plus 2 is 18 again. So the answer is 1849. It's very simple. It's just done in 3 steps, right? Now let's take somewhat bigger number than 43. So it's 57 square. Now write the value of 7. It is 7 square and here it is 5 square. What we have to do? 5 into 7 into 2. 5 into 7 into 2. See here, 5 into 7 into 2. 57 square లో మొత్తం ఇవన్నీ మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 5 into 7 into 2. Okay. Now 5 square becomes 25. 5 7s are 10. Sorry, 5 7s are 35. 35 2s are 70. 7 square is 49. Now what we have to do? The first digit we have to take, right? 9. Write it aside. 4 must be carried to 70. we have to add this 70 plus 4, it is 74. 74, what is the first value? It is 4. Write this 4 here beside 9. Now 7 is left. Add this 7 to the next value. 25 plus 7, it is 32. So the answer is 3249. It's very simple. Now let's find the value for somewhat bigger number than 57. Now let's find the value for 94 square. 4 square is 16, 9 square is 81, 9 into 4 into 2. 9 fours are 36, 36 into 2, 72. So we got the values now. First values తీసుకోవాలి. 16లో ఫస్ట్ వాల్యూ 6, 1 ఉంది. 1ని 72కి యాడ్ చేస్తాం. 72 ప్లస్ 1 అంటే 73. 73లో ఫస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఎంత? 3. దాన్ని ఇక్కడ రాసుకుందాం. 7 మిగిలిపోయింది. 7ని 81కి యాడ్ చేయాలి. 81 plus 7, how much? It is 88. So the answer is 8836. So the value of 94 square is 8836. Likewise, we can find the value of any number between 10 to 99. It's very simple, no? If you like the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Hope the video is useful and helpful. Thank you all. Wish you all happy learning.